Hi folks, I'm Mike Wells. Today I'm going to start cutting some branches out of this tree right here. I need some wood. Now I thought about going to Home Depot, but I'm too cheap. So I'm just going to take what's in my yard and utilize it, especially since I was going to trim this tree anyways. Alright, you can see where I cut it, that branch right there. I'm going to measure my segments. I think I'm going 6 feet because I need to bury 2 feet, so it'll be 4 feet out of the ground. Here we are. This is what I'm after. Some nice big logs. Just going to use a sawzall to do the notching. Alright, dug my holes 2 feet down. This side and that side. 2 feet down. Stuck these guys in the holes and then jammed the ground down right around the holes, so these are nice and firm. They're not going to go anywhere. Alright, I put my notches in. As you can see, they're not too deep. Just barely put the notches in. See? And I did it all the way down to just above where the bottom starts on this raised bed. Alright, I tied my string to that side. Now I'm pulling it around the tomato plants. And then I'll pull in to this branch. Let's go back out. I gotta set my string under those tomato leaflets, and then I'll pull the string in and get it around this first notch and then go back in that direction and tie off. Alright folks, I think that's it for today. I've got my strings up and the tomatoes are right in the center of the wraparounds. Now I didn't do continuous spiraling wrap because I don't want one string to break and then the whole thing to come apart. I want each of them to be isolated, so I tied off here, wrapped it around, and tied off back over here. And that's my security against any one of these strings breaking. Now I'll go, as the tomatoes get taller and they command more support, I'll go up further until there's no more further to go. But they're putting off flowers, so I'm getting a little excited about that. Let me shake the flowers, see if I can help the pollination process, and I'll keep you updated on the progress. Thanks for watching.